Now, in this next question, we have that in the diagram below, O is the center of the circle. Angle UOT, which is UOT, 70 degree, and angle RST is 100 degree. Calculate ROUO. ROUO. That's where the angle is. So we are calculating ROUO, this angle over here. So how can we locate this angle here? Now, if you could remember, in a quadrilateral, in a cyclic quadrilateral, each opposite angle sum up to 180 degree. That is, this angle here plus this angle here will give us 180 degree. This angle here plus this angle here will give us 180 degree. But we cannot use that here yet because we don't have to, we are not looking for this whole angle here. If not, we could have just said this plus this minus from 180 degree, we will get this. But then we are just looking for only this little side over here. So what do we need to do? We need to first of all get this other side that we have here. And this other side is found inside this triangle here that have 70 already as the angle. Now remember that angle, that is any line that is from the center, is known as the radius. And the radius must be what? Equal. Hence, this triangle is now an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle has the base to be what? Equal. If here is S, here is going to be S, they must be equal. And in that case, we can say that if this is SS and we are looking for one of these S, we can just call it 2S. When we call it 2S, we are going to add it to 70, which is still on the triangle, and then it is going to be equal to what? 180 degree. Why? Because we have it as a isosceles triangle, our sum of the angle of a triangle. Now 2S is equals to 70 crossing over is going to give us 180 minus from 70, which is going to give us 110 degree. Now we are looking for what? S. We divide by 2, we divide by 2. This cancel this. We found out that S is going to be 55 degree. And what is S? S is here, S. So here is 55. Here is 55. We have no business with this one. We have only business with this other one, angle here. Now, since we have gotten this angle, do you know that we can possibly get this angle here? Yes. If so, what we are going to do is we are going to say, okay, now that we have this in this form, we know that this angle plus this angle is going to give us 180 degree. So because I don't know this, I'll call it ROUO. ROUO, where the angle is at U, plus this 55, which is this whole angle, and plus this 100, which are the opposite, will give us 180 degree. Now, if you look closely, 55 plus 100 is going to give us 155. Now, 155 crossover, we're going to have 180. I'm doing because my marker is already off. 155 crossover become 180 minus 155. 100 remove 100, we have 80 minus 55. We are left over with 25 degree. Now, as you can see, ROUO is equals to 25 degree. Hope you understand. Let me know in the comment section. Now check other videos so I'm going to know how we have solved some complex circle theory question, and then you can find it helpful and subscribe. Give notification bell for more videos. Thank you. So the angle here is what? 25 degree. Bye bye.